friends and welcome to Srishti News. Today we are here at Khalid Aero Designs and we have Mr. Khalid Sheikh with us who's going to brief us more about designing. Hello sir.
Hi Pooja. Well, Khalid Aero Design is my passion, and when I started my career in 2006, I used to work for a call center. And when I started my career, it was like zero knowledge. There was no one to teach, and I learned from my mistakes. And yes, I did mistakes, and I learned on my first dirt bike, my first Babe. You can see it on my website. It's known as, yes, it's with me, and she's always I'll keep her always with me as an inspiration. My first dirt bike. 2008 we participated in the Mumbai International Auto Show, and we got a huge response of like genuine 3,000 clients all over India. And apart from that, right now we are designing theme choppers. Basically, as it's my passion.
So the designing which you do comes from your own design. You don't you create them, or do you take it from somewhere else and you design the bike accordingly? What is it?
The designs are in my mind. I don't refer to any designs, or I don't refer to any kind of bikes for designing my bikes. For example, if I am designing a Mustang, my favorite car, if I love a car named Ford Mustang, so I want to design my bike in Ford Mustang. So I have already completed that bike, and I'll show you the photographs as well. She has got a hand shift gear, a cigarette lighter, inbuilt, a music system, a GPS, and an automatic antenna. So when I ride, I feel like I'm riding a Mustang. One of my clients, he liked the character Scorpion, and we took the inspiration from the movie Scorpion King, and we completed the bike Scorpion with the same body texture, with the length, or the overall feel of a Scorpion. So in that way, we have done many bikes like a Batman, a Predator, that is on the theme of AVP, that is Alien versus Predator. We've also designed a bike on a Gladiator, which is standing in front of you. This is our first bike in stainless steel. Basically, my Mustang, because I love her a lot. My Mustang, as I told you, that's my personal bike. I found, after a year, I found some rust spots on the bike, and I didn't like it. It felt like it's my love, and it's getting rusted because of the climate in Mumbai, the moisture, the humidity in Mumbai. This is the first bike we've started with stainless steel. This comes with the lifetime warranty, rust free. And all the parts, like maximum chrome plated parts, if you can see all the chrome plated parts, basically they are not chrome plated. They are natural buffed. That's it. There is no extra coating of plating on the parts. So that's about passion, that's about craziness in my work. I have a team of passionate people. They are completely dedicated like me, and we don't have our timings. We come by 9 o'clock and we don't know when we'll go home. It's sometime we work till like 3 o'clock in the night or 2 o'clock in the night, depends.
So when you create a design, is it with the owner's consultation, or it's on all your job? I mean, like, does he give you any options कि मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए, मेरे को वैसा चाहिए, or it's all about your creativity and you do it accordingly?
Basically, we have 3 segments of bike. So yes, it is the owner's choice in our third segment, that is the top segment. We say T segment. Completely our owner's choice. The sitting position, the handle position, the footrest position is completely decided by the owner. The length of the bike, And we also ask him whether he'll be using the bike on daily basis or occasionally. So accordingly then we can decide the length of the bike. If it's a daily use bike, then it would be around 5.5 feet to 6 feet maximum. But if it's an occasional use, a chopper, then it would be somewhere around 9 feet long.
Okay.
So then it's a proper chopper, but obviously not a daily use. Depends upon the sitting position as well. Like some of my clients, they have some back problem. So yes, we work on the suspension systems. We have hydraulic suspensions, which gives you a very comfortable ride because you have seen Mumbai roads. And accordingly, we have designed the suspensions for our choppers, which will give you a travel of around 7 inch,
Okay.
and which is actually very comfortable. Yeah.
Okay. Now you could tell us that. Does it become faster? Does the average that a car gives or a bike gives become faster after the designing and the modification is being done?
Yes, we work on performance upgrade. Basically, once we design the bike, the overall weight of the bike increases. So the original engine, like we basically use a 350cc engine. So working on a 350cc engine and using a 200 broad tire, we actually need more pickup, more power to pull the load. Because the weight of the bike has been increased by 30 kg. That is the reason we work on the piston area. We also work on the clutch plates. We work on the performance, like in 4-stroke you have 4 steps, basically you can say. One is suck, squeeze, bang, blow. That's your definition of a 4-stroke engine. So we work on suck, that is your carburetor. We work on squeeze, that is your piston area. We work on bang, that is your spark plug area, and we also work on the exhaust system, that is your blow area. So accordingly we increase the BHP of the bike and the CC of the bike. Increases the overall pickup and power of the bike.
Since it is every man's desire to have a designer bike today, sir, but does it fit into the pockets also of every individual who wants to get a design?
As I told you, we have 3 segments of bikes. One is the K segment, one is the R segment, and a T segment. Our K segment bikes are the common segment bikes. Basically I use the word K for common because that's Khalid. And I want everyone to use my bikes. So that's my common design, which starts from 1 lakh and goes up to 1.5 lakh. That is including the bike. Now if you go and purchase a Bullet, it will cost you approximately 50,000 for a Bullet. But if you purchase a bike from us, we give you 1.5 mein bike plus the modification and a very comfortable, easy to maneuver, good in mileage, low in sound, a very comfortable daily use bike. If you come down to our R segment, now we give you a chopper that is basically not in stainless steel, but a super looking chopper with a 170 size tire or a 190 size tire. A very simple, very elegant, very classy design which you can actually daily use. Our budget basically starts for the chopper starts from 2 to 2.5. Then we have a top segment, that is the T segment. That starts from 3.5 lakh, goes up to 8 lakhs. Now depends upon the client what exactly he is looking for, what exactly is there in his mind. And we also have some college concepts, like we say fits your pocket.
Okay.
That's like if you're a college going guy, you want to design your bike, you can actually come to me with just 15,000 and get a good airbrush painting done
Wow.
from Khalid Aero Designs. If you just
form of, getting a
exactly.
modification.
So basically there is no modification on the bike.
Okay, there's a design.
It's just airbrush painting on your bike. If you have a budget of 50,000, yes, we have something for you, like a rear disc brake, or a good set of handlebar, or the indicators, and this seat, the rear cowl, headlights, aftermarket exhaust systems, and performance upgrade. So we have a different type of budgets, which actually fulfills like everybody's need. And a guy with a budget of 15,000 and a guy with a budget of 8 lakh can easily come to me.
Yeah, a
And
15,000 budget wala can also make his bike looking very elegant.
yes,
Now, sir, tell us something about the USP, your unique selling proportion. What would it be in 2 words, which you'd like to say?
my USP would be from this 2012 we have started, as I told you, stainless steel modification. Our USP would be our bike won't rust. We give you a lifetime warranty
Okay.
for our chrome plating. We don't repeat our concepts.
That's very nice.
Once my T segment bike is being designed, we don't repeat the same design again. No matter who's the client, no matter what's his need, I won't repeat the concept. I want each of my client to be unique. So basically that's Khalidaro's USP, to not to repeat the concept and the stainless steel usage.
Stainless steel and not repeating is one of the major USPs which none other people do have, I think,
Exactly.
up till now. Khalid sir, tell us something about your future plannings, please.
Our future planning is to get franchisees all over India and get more clients all over India, get known all over the world. I have clients from Dubai, and basically we have started designing parts. Initially we have started with parts, and inshallah very soon I'm planning to start bikes as well. Just working on some rules and regulations. So inshallah once it's done, we'll start the projects.
Okay. Khalid sir is going to show us few of his designs, sir. Can we please see few of your designs, sir?
That's our latest design. That's a Gladiator designed on a classic 500. Basically, as I told you, we design bikes on themes. So that's a Gladiator design in which you can see the spike hammer. That's the air filter cover. The swing arm in the shape of a sword, and you can see the name Gladiator on the swing arm. The indicator has been specially designed for the bike to match its theme. If you see the handlebar, you have complete leather covering on the handlebar, and if you open the cover, you can find a sword, a knife of a gladiator. We have different kind of headlights, like for example, like if you want to ride it on a highway, we have yellow lights. If you want to ride it on the in the city, you have a white HID with projector. That's very powerful. In this bike, we've used maximum stainless steel, and that's the roaring sound of the bike. That's my Gladiator. Thanks.
Every man's dream bike, it seems like. It's a beautiful design and a beautiful bike done.
How do you feel?
Oh, it's very good, very comfortable. Feel like heaven. Here we go.
Whoa. Is it comfortable?
Very comfortable. Very comfortable. It was a very good experience coming here and sharing a few things on designing and modification with you, sir. And thank you for giving us your valuable time.
Thanks a lot, Pooja.
Hi, I'm Adil Khan and I'm working with Khalidaro Designs. I've joined around 1 month back with Mr. Khalid, and I'm working with him, and rest of the things Mr. Khalid will tell you about me.
Hi guys, Adil is our production manager for Khalidaro Aftermarket Accessories and very dedicated guy.
Hi, I'm Pranish.
He's Pranish, very creative guy. If you see the gladiator sword and the carving on the tank is being designed by Pranish. So very dedicated to work, very innovative, very creative, and that's about Pranish.
Hi, I'm Anik Sheikh.
Mr. Anish, basically he's the tin fabricator and the oldest guy in Khalidaro Designs. When I started this company, he was the one to start with me and we are best friends. Thank you.